If you think you have to be famous, good-looking, or already popular to make money on YouTube in 2026, you've been lied to. Right now, there are tiny channels with no face on camera, no viral videos, and no big following, quietly making more money than bigger channels that only chase views. You don't need millions of subscribers. You don't need a perfect studio. You don't even need to be known. What you need is a clear strategy. What kind of videos to make, who they're for, and how those videos turn into actual money. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how a complete beginner can make money on YouTube in 2026 without being famous, and how you can start building your first income even if you're starting from zero today. Stay to the end because I'll give you a simple action plan you can follow this week to actually move toward your first dollars from YouTube. This is the big lie about YouTube money. Most people still believe YouTube money is all about going viral and getting millions of views. That's not how it works for most creators anymore. Big numbers look impressive in screenshots, but money on YouTube comes from systems, not just views. A clear topic and audience, videos that solve specific problems, links and offers that pay you even when views are small. There are channels with 5,000 subscribers making more than channels with 500,000 subscribers because the small ones understand who they're helping and how they get paid. So if you're a beginner, stop asking, how do I get famous on YouTube? And start asking, how do I become useful to a specific person on YouTube? That's the real starting point for making money.
Step 1. Choose a money-friendly topic without overthinking. Your first step is not learning editing. Your first step is choosing a money-friendly topic. A money-friendly topic is 1. Something people are actively searching for 2. Something people will pay to fix, learn, or save time on 3. Something you can talk about over and over without getting bored. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a guide who's 1 or 2 steps ahead. Beginner-friendly examples. How to use AI tools for normal people. Basic personal finance for beginners. Simple YouTube tips for small channels. Faceless side hustles and online income. Pick a tight angle, not just money, but for example, making money on YouTube for camera-shy beginners, or using shorts to grow a small channel and sell digital products. When your topic is clear, your viewers know this channel is for me. That clarity is what leads to clicks, watch time, and eventually income.
Step 2. Decide how you'll get paid before you chase views. Before you worry about views, decide, how will this channel make money?
There are many options, but as a beginner in 2026, 3 are very realistic. Affiliate marketing. You recommend tools, products, or services you actually use or believe in. You earn a commission when people buy through your link. Digital products, ebooks, templates, guides, checklists. For example, if your channel is about YouTube growth, you might have an ebook like Your First $500 from YouTube. Beginner's Guide. Services, scripting, editing, thumbnail design, channel audits. If you get good at any part of YouTube, you can offer that as a service. You can add AdSense later, but it's not the main path at the start. Pick one primary way you plan to get paid. Then, every time you plan a video, ask, how does this video lead people closer to that offer? That's how even a small channel can start making money.
Step 3.
Make beginner-friendly videos that solve specific problems.
Now let's talk about the actual videos. Most beginners post random content, hoping something hits. You're going to do it differently. Instead of whatever, you create videos that answer specific problems for a specific person.
For example, how to start a faceless YouTube channel with $0. How to write YouTube scripts with AI as a beginner. How to get your first 100 subscribers without showing your face. 3 ways to make money on YouTube before monetization. Notice something. Every title speaks directly to a real struggle your viewer has. In the video, you start with a strong hook, call out the problem clearly, give simple step-by-step value, then gently point them to your next step. Your playlist, your newsletter, your ebook, your affiliate link. You're not just entertaining, you're guiding. That's what builds trust and income. Step 4. Use faceless and simple tools to remove excuses. You may be thinking, but I don't want to be on camera, I don't like my voice, I don't have gear. Good. You don't need any of that to start. In 2026, you can use AI tools to help write your scripts. Use AI voiceovers if you really don't want to record your own voice. Use stock footage, screen recordings, slides, or simple B-roll instead of your face. Edit with free tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or online editors. Your viewer doesn't care if you're pretty. They care if you're clear and useful. So instead of waiting for the perfect setup, focus on building a very simple production flow. 1. Write a short script that solves one problem. 2. Record or generate a voiceover. 3. Add stock footage, screen recordings, or text. 4. Edit, upload, repeat. Clarity and consistency beat perfection.
Step 5.
Turn viewers into subscribers, then into customers. Views alone don't pay the bills. You need a system that moves people, viewer to subscriber to email list or community to customer. Here's a simple way to do that as a beginner. At the end of your videos, invite people to subscribe for a clear reason. Subscribe if you want step-by-step videos on making money with faceless YouTube channels. Add one main link in your description. It could be a free checklist, a free mini guide, or directly your ebook or affiliate link. If it's a good fit, gently mention it in your video. If you want my full beginner guide on result, I linked it in the description. This doesn't require being aggressive or pushy. It's just telling people, here's the next step if you want more help. That's how your channel becomes a real business, not just random uploads. So can beginners still make money on YouTube in 2026 without being famous? Yes, but not by doing what everyone else is doing. Not by chasing viral trends with no purpose. Not by waiting for someday when you finally feel ready. You make money on YouTube by choosing a clear, money-friendly topic, deciding upfront how you'll get paid, making simple, faceless videos that solve specific problems, and turning those views into subscribers, and those subscribers into customers. You do not need to be a celebrity. You need a plan and the courage to start messy. Here's what I want you to do next. 1. Write down who you want your channel to help. One sentence. 2. Write down one way you want to get paid from that channel. 3. Brainstorm 3 video ideas that solve real problems for that person. If you want help going deeper, step by step, into turning that into real income, I put everything into a beginner-friendly guide called Your First $500. From YouTube, a beginner's guide to making money with small channels, where I walk you through choosing your niche, planning your videos using faceless and AI-assisted methods, and building your first $100 to $500 from YouTube. You'll find the link in the description. But even if you never buy anything from me, promise yourself this: you will not spend another year only watching other people make money on YouTube. Take what you learned in this video, pick a simple starting point, and upload something in the next 7 days. You don't need permission, you just need to begin. If this helped you, subscribe for more videos on making money on YouTube as a beginner, especially if you want to stay faceless and use simple tools to build your income step by step. Your channel won't build itself. But if you start today, in a few months, you might be the one people watch for guidance.